Hi folks, I am Dr. Rahul Gera, fetal medicine specialist at Safdarjung Enclave. So today we are going to talk about genetic testing. Genetic testing is basically looking at the DNA, which is the core which determines how the body functions and grows in future. So sometimes there are mutations in this which might be inherited or which might happen de novo. So looking at these mutations which will lead to various defects, inherited disorders, is genetic testing. This genetic testing can be a screening test like double marker, like triple marker, quad testing, then NIPT. And then we have couple carrier screening also, where we take the blood sample from the couple and do the carrier screening. And then we have something called invasive testing for the fetus. When these screening tests come positive, we offer these confirmatory tests which are invasive in nature. These are amniocentesis and CVS. CVS is done at 11 to 13 weeks 6 days, whereas amniocentesis is done after 15 weeks onwards. So why we do this genetic testing? So another question is कि डॉक्टर ये करवाएं क्यों? So this helps us in proper planning, how to approach this pregnancy, when to intervene in this pregnancy, whether to carry this pregnancy or not, and most importantly, it gives emotional support and informed choice to the intended parent. So the next question comes कि ये टेस्ट किसको करवाना चाहिए? ये टेस्ट anybody who is above 35 years of age should be offered these screening and invasive testing, and जिनके अंदर फैमिली के अंदर कोई इनहेरिटेड डिसऑर्डर है या कभी हम अल्ट्रासाउंड के अंदर देखते हैं कि कोई बर्थ डिफेक्ट आ रहा है, तो इन केसेस के अंदर तो ये अनिवार्य है कि हम कोई स्क्रीनिंग और कोई इन्वेजिव टेस्टिंग फॉर कंफर्मेशन करें. These genetic tests, if provided to the right individual, they can make a world of difference. But क्या ये टेस्ट एक्सपेंसिव हैं? Yes, these tests are expensive, but if you see in long run, they are not expensive and they are must. They are rather boon to the society. But जानिए कि ये कहाँ से करवाने हैं और कौन लिख रहा है और कौन सी लैब से हो रही हैं. You should always consult a fetal medicine specialist or a geneticist and get your test done by a PCPNDT approved and an NABL lab. Thank you.